Hello everyone, it's me, Bo Shevasu. Today we are going to be replacing the black ink cartridge on the XP-7100. We're going to be using this particular ink cartridge. This is the big one. Note that it ends with XL, the 410 XL. I've taken it out of the shrink wrap just to kind of expedite this video. So there's the scanner. Let's go ahead and open up the whole thing until you see all of our goodies right there. We're going to be replacing this big guy. For some reason, these are operating just fine. It's completely locked us out. It's a little frustrating that I can't even print everything in blue, but hey, you know what? They kind of force you to buy their ink. So let's go ahead and first of all, we are going to go to the home screen right here. See that little ink thing right up there, the red X. Go ahead and click on that. And you don't care about that. Click close. Now we're gonna click replace ink cartridges. And yeah, we know how to do that. We know how to do that. And now it's going to slide over and actually allow us to access that large ink cartridge. So if you're like me, you're probably wondering, how in the world do I slide this thing over? You have to operate it via the menu. So now that we are in position, it is as simple as pushing this little blue thing right here, opening this up, being careful with this because there is some ink on there and it's fairly permanent. So we're gonna put this in a somewhat safe place. Now we're gonna take off this little cap right there. We've already shaken it in the package 5 times. Now we're going to take it, we're gonna rotate it like so. You see this little thing, it says push, just align it with the rest of the pushes right down there, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and slide it in like that. It should fit organically in there, and then gently, let's go ahead and listen for the click. Oh, that's just so satisfying. Beautiful, and just like that, look at that. We've got a big blue check mark. Hit completed, it goes back to normal up there, and we are pretty much good to go. Hope this helps.